1. Right, welcome to Teach Together Try Make a List Part 2. You should have watched the other video, Part 1. We're going to try a question. You're going to try a question just like the old question that was pretty tricky. You're going to have a go at doing it by yourself. Okay? Here we go. Carrots cost 25 cents and potatoes cost $1. Betty has got $4.50 to spend. How many ways could Betty spend her money if she was going to spend all of it? And that's just on potatoes and carrots. So either all potatoes, all carrots, or one or the other, but she's going to spend all of her money. Okay? Now, it's just like the other question we went through. You should be able to do this. You're going to want to press pause and have a go, and then we'll go through it. So, press pause. Okay, I hope you pressed pause. Make sure you pressed pause. Okay, let's have a look at the answer. Thanks. Okay, there's my organised list for carrots. You can see one carrot up here costs 25 cents, 2 carrots cost 50 cents, 3 carrots cost 75 cents, 4 carrots cost 100 cents, which is $1. Let me fix up that 50 cents. That is disgraceful. That's better. 50 cents. All the way down to 19 carrots, which cost 475 cents, which is actually over our $4.50. So I'm going to get rid of that. Oh, and by the way, I said I was going to tell you the answer, didn't I? Gee, I haven't done that. I better tell you the answer before we go any further. So you don't have to watch this, obviously, if you got the right answer. Okay, the answer, by the way, is 5. There's 5 combinations, but you know, look, if you got that, yeah, great, well done. You might want to watch the rest of this. If you didn't get that, you might want to pause right now and go back and see where you went wrong. Okay, by all means. If you're utterly confused, then just keep watching here. That's fine. Okay, so there's all my carrots. I've worked out my carrots. I've got an organised list of how much from 1 to 18 carrots are going to cost me. And I stopped here because I don't need to know 19 carrots because that's over $4.50, so crossed him off. Okay, potato-wise, let's have a look at our potato list. 1 potato is going to cost 1 times, 100 cents, thank you, which equals 100 cents. And 2 potatoes are going to cost 2 times 100 cents, which equals $2 or 200 cents. 3 times 100 cents is equaling $3 or 300 cents. 4 times 100 cents, of course, equals 400 cents. 5 times 100 cents equals 500 cents. Right, it's gone over. Shouldn't have even written that because our limit is $4.50 or 450 cents. Okay, well now we've just got to match the possible combinations. Let's have a go at doing that. Oops, Daisy. Okay, so let's get our little chart going. We'll draw a little chart over here. See if we can fit it in on the side of the page there. Okay, and we've got our carrots, CAR, and we've got our potatoes. Now, obviously, you could have just had 18 times 25 carrots for 450 cents. So let's get rid of that. 18 times 25 carrots. You could have just had 18 carrots and 0 potatoes, and that would have equaled $4.50. Okay? Sure. Right? Our limit is the potatoes, obviously. That's where we can control the question from, where we can start to make some sense of it. Let's say we had 1 potato. So if we had 1 potato, that would be 1 potato, obviously, which brings us to 100 cents. And that means if we were at 100 cents, we've still got to get to 450 cents. So 100 cents to 450 cents is 350 cents, and there's our match over there. Right? 14 carrots are 350 cents. So you could have had 1 potato and 14 carrots, right? And let's get rid of that because that's done. 350 plus 100 is $4.50. Okay. Now let's have a look at the other one. 2 potatoes here. Well, 2 potatoes are going to be 200 cents, $2. So you could have 2 potatoes, and of course $2. How do we get to $4.50 from $2? We have to go to 250 cents. 250 cents plus 200 cents over here. That's another $4.50. So that means that's 10. Could have had 10 carrots and 2 potatoes. So let's get rid of that now, because that won't come back. And neither will that. What about the next one? 3 potatoes. Well, 3 potatoes is, of course, 300 cents. And the difference between 300 cents and I'll just clear some of this. Okay, the difference between 300 cents and 450 cents up here is 150. So can we see 150 here? There it is. 6 carrots are 150. So 6 carrots and 3 potatoes. Thank you. 6 carrots and 3 potatoes. Done. There is one more combination left. You could just have 4 potatoes for 400 cents. There it is. 4 potatoes for 400 cents, and I don't even really need my chart here. I know that 400 cents to get to $4.50, I've got to spend that extra 50 cents. It's going to be 2 carrots. 2 carrots. So the 50 cents here plus the 400 cents there is equal to $4.50, of course. So that's 4 potatoes and 2 carrots. And there is, of course, your 5 combinations. There is your 5 combinations. Okay, guys, hope that's been useful. It will be in the assessment or a like question. Thank you.